For this video, we're going to focus on a different one. Last one we did angle. This one we're going to look at side angle side similarity. It's very similar to the side angle side congruency that we did a couple of weeks ago. Now, for this one, you're going to have to create two different triangles by moving one of the gray vertices and draw these shapes in your notebook. Are these ratios the same? Now, this, again, you will find in your Schoology once you log on to Schoology. Here's a picture of it. Again, I'm always going to show you the question right there. Here's your two triangles. And here's your ratios. This is what you're going to look at today. So, to do this, click on one of the sides and then just move it. You'll see that everything will start moving. What you should be doing is looking at the ratios. So pick two random ones. You can play around with it. You can even move that little blue one if you really want to. Copy down the triangles and copy down the ratios. Now you'll see that the ratios will always be the same. And if you remember correctly, consistent ratios means that, or scale factors means that the triangles are similar. So now, after going through a few examples, here's what I really want you to ask yourself. Does this mean that side angle side also prove similarity? This is the main question. You are supposed to answer this in your notebook. And to take it a little step further, test your ideas from problem 270. So either yes, side angle side is prove similarity, or no. By doing so, I don't know why I gave you this example. You can actually just ignore this. Sorry about that. I don't feel like making another video. Is it possible to make a second triangle using the side angle side idea that is not similar to this one? So let me move this. If you click on the Student B tool on Schoology, it will take you to this. So now I didn't match them for you. What you probably want to do is click on side lengths and show high labels, and you want to show the side length, not just the labels. And your goal first is to link them. So click on this, link it to that one. Click on this, link it to that one. And then keep playing around with it. Keep trying to see if you can come up with a triangle that is not similar. That is your goal. Let me write this down. Can we find a triangle that is not similar? Play around with it. You probably already know what the answer is, but this is, again, just so you can explore the triangles a little bit more and see if you can come up with your own conjunctions. Alright, so this is the last video for today, and for this one I'm asking you, it's problem 272. You can click on that one in Schoology to see what is right here. But based on the scale factors, do you think that these two triangles are similar, and why? So talking about scale factors, the first thing we want to do is find a scale factor. I'll go ahead and label these sides for you. This is the biggest is this one. Second biggest would be 4. Second biggest over here would be 8. And 3 and 6. So hopefully everyone see how I was able to do that. What your goal is going to be is to find the scale factors. Remember, it's big over small. I do big over small, big over small, big over small. You can probably already see what it is. So based on the scale factors, are these two triangles similar? Now, you already know this. So this SSS proves similarity. Short answer is, I'll tell you the answer. Yes. But you should tell me when. When does it prove similarity? And why? Why does it prove similarity? Try to answer those real quick. So now here's the next part. Now lock the corresponding sides, then use a series of transformations to make one triangle into the other one. To lock them, let me label these again real quick. They might change colors, sorry about that. This one with this one. Second biggest with the second biggest, smallest with the smallest. To lock it, I want to lock the corresponding one. So I want to click on this side, click on the side, a little lock will come up, and then click on this one. and you'll see it'll show something like this. Something like doot, 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 doot. You want to click yes. And then click on this one, click on the lock sign, click on that one. Same thing with this one. Now that you're locked, you can click in the center and then you can either dilate, or you can make it smaller, or you can move it around, and pretty much just play around with it. So go ahead and do that, very similar to how we did it in the beginning. And try to tell me in words what you did. Did you dilate it? Let me go ahead and write these down because these are going to be helpful. Did you use dilation? Did you use a rotation? Did you use a translation or reflection? Go ahead and try to tell me what you did.